Hey, Sleep Warrior! Today's Sleep Byte is for all you travelers out there. We're discussing a common yet controversial topic. Should you pack your CPAP in your checked luggage or carry it on? Let's unpack this dilemma. The other day, I received a panicked message from a patient who was on vacation and the airline lost their luggage. And you guessed it, with their CPAP machine packed inside. Ask any sleep professional about packing a CPAP in checked luggage, and you'll likely hear a resounding, "No, don't do it." But let's face it, not everyone who gives this advice has experienced the hassle of juggling an extra carry-on. Overhead bin space is at a premium, and carrying on your CPAP as an additional item can be a real inconvenience. However, the key question here is, how would it impact your trip if you had to sleep without your CPAP? So before making your decision, consider these three factors. Number one, if your trip is short, missing a night or two might not significantly impact your long-term health, though it could affect your comfort during the journey. Number two, do you have your CPAP prescription with you? If so, and it's financially feasible, you could potentially purchase a new machine or even a travel machine at your destination. Number three, think about your activities while you're away. If you're planning to drive long distances, then the risk of the increased sleepiness makes it wise to not gamble with losing your CPAP. So truth be told, most of the time, luggage arrives safely. Your CPAP, along with all of your other belongings, will likely reach your destination without any issues. But in worst case scenarios, like my patients, it can be quite distressing. So thankfully, we managed to send a prescription immediately to a national CPAP company, and they supplied a new machine within a week. So it's reassuring to know that there are solutions, but as the saying goes, an ounce of prevention is much better than a cure, or something like a pound of a cure. So in conclusion, there's no one-size-fits-all answer. It's about balancing convenience with the risk of being without your CPAP. So weigh your options, make the best decision for you, and live with it. Thanks for being here. I will see you next week.